Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Mailchimp subscription form. This is essential for building your email list and customizing how subscribers interact with your sign-up page. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign In button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your email marketing campaigns and audience settings. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on the Audience tab to expand the menu. This section houses all the tools you need to manage your subscribers and their information effectively. From the expanded menu, click on Audience Dashboard. This brings you to a comprehensive overview of your current audience, including subscriber count, engagement metrics, and other important data. Now look for the Manage Audience button and click it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Sign Up Forms. You'll need to scroll down a bit to find the Form Builder option, which is the tool we'll use to customize your subscription form. Once you're in the Form Builder, you'll see a drop-down labeled Forms and Response Emails. Click on it to reveal different form types. Navigate to the Subscription section and select the form type you want to configure. This determines the style and layout of your sign-up form. Now comes the customization part. You can personalize the form fields by clicking into each label, such as email address or first name. Simply click on the text and edit it to match your branding or preferences. This allows you to create a sign-up experience that feels unique to your audience and aligns with your business identity. If you plan to use this form on your website or share it directly, you'll want to copy the sign-up form URL. This link can be embedded into your site or shared across your marketing channels, making it easy for potential subscribers to join your list. For those managing a multilingual audience, Mailchimp offers a handy translation feature. Click on the Translate It tab located at the top of the page. Here you can choose to have your sign-up form automatically translated, or you can manually select a specific language by clicking the drop-down arrow and choosing from the available options. This ensures your form is accessible to a broader audience. And there you have it, you've successfully configured your Mailchimp subscription form with custom fields and language options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.